Good day, everyone. Today I will be discussing gamification, its role in language learning. Gamification. It is a process of adding game elements to non-game activities to make them more engaging and enjoyable. Gamification, it came from the root word game. So what we mean process, why gamification becomes a process. So when there is a gamification, when there is a game on a non-game activities or in a discussion, the students will be active and will involve all throughout the discussion. And for example, sini kay ang aton nga motivational game kaga or ang aton nga icebreaker. So before ang reporter mag-discuss ang iyang nga topic, ga pag-game na siya, kag gaasa na siya sa students nga mag-participate sa isa ka game kay tungod pud sito na nagiging na maka-participate ang mga students all throughout the discussion gid. Gamification and its role in language learning is a way to make learning a new language more interactive and enjoyable. It often involves incorporating game-like elements. So, if there is a game in learning a new language, it is easier for us to get engaged and it is easier for us na maka-learn sa isang bagong language kung may ara sang game. For example, sa Duolingo nga app. So kay may ara sa mga game dira nga dali lang maka-learn ka. So mas makadali lang ka maka-retain kag dali lang nimo magamit imong nga language skills nga para maka-learn ka sang isang bag-o nga language. Main benefits of gamification in language learning. So here are the main benefits of gamification in language learning. First, it increases motivation. Gamification taps into the intrinsic motivation of learners by providing a sense of achievement, progress, and competition. So through the use of gamification apps, we are much more motivated to learn a new language. So intrinsic motivation. What do we mean by intrinsic motivation? It is natural or it is natural for us to get motivated in learning a new language kung may aras ang games. So, enhanced engagement. Gamification taps learners' attention and keeps them engaged for longer periods. This sustains engagement, faster, deeper learning, and better retention of language skills. So, gamification enhance engagement of the learners. So, it captures learners' attention. Kung may ara man gid sang game, may ara sang game before sa discussion, ang students makuha mo gid ang ilang attention kay for example, lalo na kung mas nami imo nga game, mas gusto nila nga mag-engage kung mas nami pa gid ang imo game kag may ara ka sang ihatag sila nga mga rewards para silang mga candies, after the game may hatag ka sang candies. Ang students gid maano mo gid ang ilang attention nga all throughout the discussion mamati gid sila sa imo. Personalized learning experience. Gamified language learning platform often employ adaptive technologies and intelligent algorithms to tailor the language learning experience of the individual learners. So, using kung may ara ka sa dali lang maka-install sang app sa imong nga phone, kung gusto mo mag-learn sang new language, mas madalian ka kay tas ma-personalize pod. For example, gagamit ka sang Duolingo, nag-install ka sang Duolingo sa phone mo. So, na-personalize mo ang imong learning experience kay ikaw lang man ang nag-learn ka, mas makatuon ka kung ikaw sometimes mas makatuon ka kung ikaw lang pod ang isa, diba? But with the use of technologies. Active learning and practice. Gamification encourages learners to actively participate and apply their language learning skills in practical context. This active engagement facilitates the application and reinforcement of language knowledge and skills. So, active learning and practice. Ang gamification, nag-encourage sa students to participate and apply their language skills sa sa real life scenarios. So using gamification, for example, malaka ta sa ibang nga lugar. So they are native speakers of Ilonggo. As a person na halin ka sa ibang lugar, halin ka sa Manila. So as a person nga laki sa Manila, you don't know how to speak Ilonggo. So using the gamified learning language learning platforms, mas dali sa imo nga maka-learn sa new language which is Ilonggo kag i-practice siya sa real life scenarios sa pakikipag-usap sa ibang tao. Immediate feedback. Gamified language learning platforms offer instant feedback, allowing learners to assess their performance and correct mistakes in real time. So for example, sinega use ka sang Google Translate. Yan lang. So immediate feedback. So when you are learning a new language, mga gamified lang mga apps sa gamification, mas dali ka madali mo siya ma-assess ba kung diin ang imo nga mali, kung person sa pronunciation nga nagmali. So mas dali sa imo nga dali sa imo nga matagan sang feedback kay use ka man sa mga platforms. So mas dali nga person na may ara ka sa word nga na mali, person na gi-pronounce ang word tapos mali ang pronunciation mo. So dali mo lang ang using the gamified language learning platforms, dali mo lang ma-assess tong mga mali mo kag dali mo lang po siya matama. Collaborative learning opportunities. This collaborative aspect fosters social interaction, peer support, in a sense of community which enhances motivation and provides additional learning opportunities. So using the gamified platforms, mayroon man sila sa gamified platforms sila person na gusto mo mag-learn sa new language. So mayroon dito nga pero kailangan mo sa maging collaborative. Mayroon sa mga opportunities using the gamified language learning platforms. There is opportunities for you to learn a new language or you can talk to the native speakers of that language para mas ma-enhance imo nga learning pod sa isa ka language. Fun and enjoyment. This positive emotional experience promotes a favorable attitude to language learning and encourage learners to continue their language journey. So using gamification, using the platforms in gamification, it make us more more engaged and enjoy in learning a language. So gamification nagatabang nila siya nga mas mag-participate ta kag maging ma-enjoy ta ang aton nga language learning journey. Mas dali sa aton maka-learn kung nang imong nga kina-learn pod kay na-enjoy ka kag na ano mo nga may worth man pod siya nga may worth nga mag-study kasi to or mag-learn kasi to nga language. So that's all. So what is the nga kailangan ta mag-learn sa gamification sa aton nga subject, which is the language learning materials development. So kay using gamification kay ara na magadabi ta sa ga-improve na technologies today nang using gamification mas mapadali sa aton nga ang aton nga students maka-learn kag it help us create a more engaging and enjoyable discussion if there is a gamification or a game in the discussion na maka-participate gid ang tanan kag maka-participate pud ang students. That will be all. Thank you everyone.